Today I am going to show you how to share any file or folder in Google Drive using your PC. First I opened Google Chrome from my desktop. Then I clicked on the Google app icons next to my account picture in the top right corner. From the drop down menu I selected Google Drive and the Drive interface opened. After that I went to one of my image file and clicked on the three dots next to it. A drop down list appeared and I clicked on share. A sharing pop-up opened where I saw an input field. This is where you type the email address of the person you want to share the file with. So I enter my own email address for demonstration. There was also a message box below it where I typed a short note: like, share and subscribe. You can write anything you want in this message box. Then I clicked on the send button and the file was successfully shared. Next I opened the Gmail account where I had sent this file. Inside that account I opened Google Drive again, and from the left panel I clicked on share with me. Here you can see all the files that other people have shared with you. My shared image file appeared in the list. I opened it to confirm that the sharing was successful. And that's how easily you can share files or folder using Google Drive on your PC. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and comment for more quick tech guides.